In this video, we're going to be going over how to install Speechify for Mac. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're logged into our Speechify account on the browser, we simply need to click onto our profile in the top right, then go to settings, then in the middle, click on discover Speechify apps. Now we simply need to select download for Mac. Speechify will now start downloading. Once done, you can open the install file from the top right or from your downloads folder. It will now open. When you're on this page, you need to simply drag the Speechify icon into the application folder icon. It will now open the application folder. We now need to double click to open the Speechify app. To log in, we need to click authenticate, then we can sign in however we like. So I'm going to use Google. Once signed in, you need to grant Speechify access to the text from other applications. So we're going to click grant access, then open accessibility page. Now we're going to click the checkbox for Speechify, then enter our password or use our fingerprint to grant access. Now we need to click continue, then select the voice we want and the voice speed. We're now fully set up on the Speechify app and can start using it. If you'd like me to create a full tutorial for the Speechify Mac app, type tutorial in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.